Straight from the Appasamy booth at AIOC 2026, today we're showcasing more than just equipment. We're exploring the future of grassroots skill building and therapeutic innovation in Indian eye care. Joining us are Dr. Praful Chaudhary, who is tackling the surgical capability gap through the ACE program, and Dr. Murali Ariga, who will discuss SLT as a first-line glaucoma therapy.
Biggest barrier to build up the surgical confidence, I feel, is limited exposure to the cases, to the advanced technology, and limited number of short-term phaco-emulsification courses for the students. So having access to top-tier technology is important. So Appasamy plays a very important role by providing accessible technology which is as advanced as all the multinational companies.
The big barrier to treatment for glaucoma in rural patients is adherence and compliance. SLT is a wonderful tool, a one-time tool, hardly takes about a minute or two to administer the treatment, and would entirely replace the need for applying daily medication, enduring the side effects of the glaucoma medication and the need for continuous follow-up.
We have started a new training center named as Swastika Institute. There we are providing a highly advanced training programs where people can learn phaco-emulsification in a short time of 12 days. Appasamy has played a crucial role in planning this advanced phaco-emulsification center because they have all the accessible technology. At the same time, their post-sale services is very good. If you have any trouble, they'll help you with the training, they'll help you with the repairs and sales. So I would give 10 on 10 points to Appasamy to support training centers like us and the students for shaping their future in ophthalmology. So REVEL basically has many good changes in terms of dynamics. So they have dynamic fluid infusion system, they have optical membrane sensing technology, and also they have incorporated low IOP surgery system. This will help surgeon to have a safer surgery, more precise and accurate outcome, helping to reshape their practice over a long run.
The LIGHT trial has clearly shown us that primary therapy is extremely useful for glaucoma patients in the form of doing the SLT for mild to moderate glaucomas, and the 6-year results have shown very good results as compared to medication alone. An SLT machine combined with the AG laser, which is made by Appasamy, I have been using it for the last decade or so now, and I have replaced the newer model of the machine. Extremely versatile, very robust machine, and we have good results and outcomes, ease of use, and technically it's not so challenging for even a beginner surgeon to start doing it. I think it's a wonderful machine overall. The only barrier we now have is the availability and the knowledge and the awareness that SLT, how it should be done and which indications it should be done for. So I think once we educate our colleagues and peers regarding the benefits of the SLT, I think we are good to go, and it will slowly replace glaucoma treatment as primary therapy.
Rural India faces the world's most complex eye care challenges, but the solutions are no longer only theoretical. Vision centers are extending reach, SLT is breaking compliance barriers, and with partners like Appasamy, high-quality technology is no longer reserved for big city budgets. The gap is closing. One vision center, one laser, one patient at a time.